Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix corrupted files in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, you gotta go to your search bar and type down CMD, and then go to the right panel and click on Run as Administrator. There will be a pop-up. Just click on Yes. Now in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and type down DISM space / okay, online space / cleanup hyphen image space / restore health. All right. Again, DISM space / online space / cleanup image space / restore health. And once done, just hit on enter and just wait for the process to finish. All right. Once the process is done, go ahead and open up CMD once more, like so. Run as administrator. Now go ahead and type down SFC space / scan now. Hit on enter. And again, just wait for the process to finish. Okay. And once the process is done, you can now go ahead and close the command prompt, restart your computer, and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down system restore. Okay. Down here we have the recovery. Click on it. And then here, click on open system restore. Hit on next. And then here, if you have a restore point, just click on it, hit on next, and follow simple prompts. Okay. And once done, you should be good to go. Now, if all else fails, you can go ahead and reset your computer. Go ahead and go to your search bar and type down reset this PC. All right, click on it. Now go ahead and click on reset PC right here. Follow simple prompts, and after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.